Magnesite is a mineral whose exploitation gives us raw materials for diverse industries such as iron and steel, agriculture and livestock, or environmental industries. In this field, it is used for specific purposes such as the remediation of heavy metal contaminated soils or wastewater treatment. At European level, Spain has significant resources of this mineral, which can be found in nature. At a geological level, they share a space with zoological, botanical and other components that make up Spain's vast natural heritage. The richest in Europe, with Navarre as one of its greatest exponents in terms of biodiversity. Throughout its mineral extraction and transformation processes, Magnesitas nivaris must pay close attention to its activity's coexistence with the natural environment that supports it. The conservation of the biodiversity of the locations where these deposits are found is one of its foremost goals. For this purpose, during the pre- and post-operational periods, the company performs research, conservation and restoration work carried out by the best specialists. Identifying species and spaces of interest, monitoring the state of their populations, learning about their biology, and facilitating that coexistence with the mining activity is one of its priorities. Caring for the environment is based on knowledge. Use of resources always requires mitigation, correction and restoration. The landscape's morphology, its vegetation cover and singular or threatened plants must be taken care of. Fauna species that belong to fragile and diverse groups of insects, such as xylophaga, pollinators and many others. Herbivore and carnivore mammals. Amphibians, reptiles, forest and rupicolous birds. And of course, the aquatic environment, where its inhabitants demand the utmost care in the quality and quantity of this precious resource. Magnesitas nivaris has made the goal of biodiversity conservation part of its production processes, always paying attention to criteria of sustainability, efficiency, technical innovation, professional qualifications and scrupulous respect for the environment, caring for its surroundings and the health and safety of the people, applying in addition circular economy policies. The conservation of nature is an obligation, objective and challenge in all the projects undertaken by MAGNA.